Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do word art in Google Docs. So let's start the video. First open your document. Now press your cursor where you want to insert the word art. Now click Insert from the top menu and then go to Drawing and click on New. From the toolbar, click on Actions and then go to Word Art. Type the text you want to turn into word art. After typing your text, press Enter. Your word art will appear on the canvas. Now click the word art to customize it. You can change the fill color, border color. Once you're happy with the design, click on Save and Close. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.